Video C4 Module Mounting Structures, Civil Structures. The solar photovoltaic modules are mounted on the module mounting structures forming the skeleton of the system. Commonly, two types of module mounting structures are used. The first is ground-mounted structures, which include pole mounting structures and legged mounting structures. Pole mounting structures have a single base for the whole array, while legged mounting structures consist of two or more support structures on the ground, holding the modules on top of them. The second is rooftop structures, where the solar array is installed on the rooftop of the farmer's house in case the house is near or within the field. Various module mounting structure solutions are available as per requirement of the project and designed to optimize for maximum yield within minimum area. Hot dip galvanized iron with minimum 80 micron thickness and aluminium structures are most commonly used and can withstand wind speeds up to 150 km per hour. The structures are designed to facilitate replacement of modules if required. These structures are mounted on a civil foundation made with reinforced concrete or screwed with the concrete surface in case of rooftop solar module installations.